Before continuing to the question, pause the video right now, calculate this expression and share your answer in the comment box. Let me know. So the question is 72 divided by 8 into 9 plus 3. Okay. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 into 8 is 72 divided by 12 into 8 is 96. The answer is 72 by 96. But this is wrong. First we have to follow the PEMDAS rules. First we have to proceed with parentheses, next with exponents, next with multiplication and division. Both has equal priority. So we are from left to right in these two cases. Then addition and subtraction. These two also have equal priority. So we will solve the equation from left side to right side. Let's see. 72 divided by 8 into 9 plus 3. We will follow PEMDAS. First we will do parenthesis. So 72 divided by 8, 9 plus 3 is 12. Then we have division and multiplication, but both has equal priority. So we will solve the left expression first. 72 divided by 8 is 9 into 12 is, so the answer is 9 into 12 is 108.